Hello, I'm Qiwei. I'm a junior faculty at Cincinnati Children's Hospital. And the project we're going to talk about today is quantify the pulmonary vasculature using CT images. As we know, the lung disease can alter the pulmonary blood vessels in the ways that are invisible to traditional imaging. We want to use advanced CT analysis to make these changes measurable and diagnostic. In the manual assessment of those lung vessels is subjective and inconsistent, although subtle disease-related changes are often missed, leading to the delayed diagnosis and suboptimal patient care. So in our lab, we're trying to use a computational imaging system, automatically segments the pulmonary vessels and extract precise measurements such as vessel geometry, branching patterns, and density. And those quantitative parameters can help us review the unique vasculature signatures for different lung disease. We hope this algorithms can help doctors catch up lung disease early and make more accurate diagnosis. It will change how we understand and treat patients. So we're doing. I believe we're doing. If you think we're doing exciting works here and you're interested in this project, please let's connect and work together. Thank you.